You cannot eat your cake and have it at the same time. I am done with you and I'm done for good. Take your miserable self and this stain out of my house.
You are nothing but a bag of cabbage and garbage.
Are you mad? Have you lost it?
I have lost it. You are a useless man. I regret the day I married you. Stupid man.
I can't wait anymore. What does she want? Does she want money? If she wants money, give her money and let her get out of your life.
Which house? Eh? I can see you have a new home. Go to your new home.
Stop.
This is the key.
I wouldn't be a second wife. You have to marry me legally. After all, the marriage with your wife is not even working. And then, leave every other thing to me. I'll take care of you.
My husband, Dikeh, is not only Paul. He's a wizard. Mom, you can say that again. He's just all about sucking my blood.
You are supposed to have done what we discussed and marry me fast, but you're wasting time. People change, oh.
If you think you will use and dump me, you are joking. Listen, I will slaughter you.
It is only a foolish man like Dikeh that prefer the company of another woman to that of his wives.
Let him better remain here. Because if he comes back to this house, see this house? It will be too small for him and I. Anthony Joshua! You know
me. This is a check of 5 million naira. I want you to take this, get out of my house and out of my life.
If I can't have you, no one will.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.